I'm going to run through a few cleaning tips for this 24-inch LG Washtower. First, if you're getting suds errors or noticing any smells from the washer, you're going to want to run a tub clean cycle. I'm using a tablet cleaner with summer powder. Just follow the instructions on the box and place the cleaner right in the wash tub. Then on the front of the controls, I can press and hold the steam button, and after 3 seconds, I'll get a message that says TCL for tub clean, and then I'll just run the cycle. You want to generally do this once a month. Now let's move to the dryer. This is a heat pump dryer, so it has a standard lint filter, but also an additional fine mesh filter. You don't need to clean the second filter all the time, but more so when you notice lint is built up and you can't see through it like you can now. You want to be able to see through this for best performance. While the filters are out, you can also choose to clean your condenser. If you notice maybe your clothes aren't drying quite as well as before, then you can clean your condenser, which may help improve performance. Take 34 ounces of water and pour it slowly down the lint trap. I've added all my water, and now I can put my 2 filters back. Now on the right-hand side of the controls, you can see the condenser care cycle.